How's it going? I took a quick trade. It was just 51 up. I literally just took a tiny little one. It looks like we've had quite a bit of movement. I've been out all morning. If I look like I've been through a car wash, I've been building a shed. Looks bearish. Oh, so we had a sell-off in the Asian session. Heavy sell-off. Pulled back to the average. Friday. I'd like that to sell off for a change. So sell-off, no recovery, sold off, recovery in the London session. I'm looking for a nice sell-off here. I'm looking for a nice sell-off. Now, 5 micros. How much we moved? Wow. Okay. Okay, we've got some movement. I might have to scale down. I'm using 3 micros. There seems a lot of volatility, so I'm going down to the 3 micros. That's a bit nuts action, that is. You could go in the hole very quickly. I'm waiting for the open. I'm in no rush. I just want I'll be happy just with 150 to go towards my payout. So mocha today. I'd normally go with tea, but I had a tea already when I was doing the shed, so it's mocha, not coffee. I'm tempted to get in here. I'm not going to. Am I? No. I like getting ahead in the market, you know. I like that idea. So 3 micros, and what's that? $6 a point. 50 points, 300. Yeah, that'll be a nice mark. So 300 being. So 350. If I can get 350 today, I'll be extremely happy with that. We are looking bearish. I'd love this to sell down. I haven't put my levels in. I'm not. I'm feeling way better today. Thank you very much for asking. I got great sleep last night. I know you're all worried about me. So that's good. You can all rest easy over the weekend. And we've got a few levels here actually. We've got a few levels. So we've got some nice targets. Nice targets. Yeah, we're going into a bit of a long range here actually, aren't we? Come down, we'll come up. Yeah, that's why we've got so many lines everywhere. So I'm going to get rid of some of these. I think we've got a serious level up there. If we do pump, looks like we've had, what do we have? We can't have that again. I can't do that. I don't think I can cope with that. I'm going to wait for a move, I think. So I'm obviously bearish. It looks bearish. It's run up to the average, so I'd expect it to sell off and go down. It is Friday and it is Nasdaq, so what you think doesn't really have much bearing on what happens. We are near a lower band, so if there was a sell-off, it would have to be a quick one, and I'll be looking at this level to bounce. And if we're going up, we're going to go straight into all this resistance. So there's a lot of resistance up there, that level. And then we're going up to there, but I don't see that happening. Okay, we're buying up pre-market. Might take a cheeky short here.
Order filled.
Now we've got 5 minutes to the open. My target will be VWAP initially. Geez, that's a big target. Oh, hang on, so what was that? It's a 2-3. 2-3. $623 is VWAP. So that's below this resistance. That's plausible then. That is plausible. There's my calculations. Oh, this is nice. Right, I'm going to lock this in because I ain't going to lose anything before the open. Actually, if I can get another 50, that'd be nice. If I can get... I was just trading that pullback into the oscillator basically. I probably should have taken that out 50. Yeah, I should have taken it out. Now open in 4 minutes. Do I hold this through the open? Do I hold it through the open? I think I'm going to bag. 100. I wanted to bag 100. Now I've lost my chance. Typical. This is looking bearish. Open in 2.5 minutes. I'll lock that in. I'll lock in 157. So that's my daily target if I need it. So that's a good start. We're up 150. It's probably going to sell off more here. Probably to open. I want it to tank. It's just to go into this level. So, and then we've got this level below. So it's gonna could be doing that. Fuck. Just so bang on the level and bounced immediately. Well, I'm in no hurry to do anything now because I've got my 150. My 500 was my target today. But I'm changing 3 micros, so 300 will be my target. Basically 100 per micro, $50, 50 points at two a micro, $2 a micro. That gives me the 100, so 300, 500 will be my target. So 300 is my target. So I've only got 150 to go. And it's Friday, so I really don't know whether I'm going to do much here. I could just see all this resistance, plus we're getting nearly oversold. We could have a quick run, but I'm going to get ready. Is there any news? I haven't even checked the news. Very slack. What day is it? I don't know what fucking day it is. I don't know whether is this shutdown still going on? Looks like it. Okay. Right. Prepare for mayhem. Prepare for mayhem. The big range today. 500 point range. No, is it 500? 400. 400 point range. 350. 400. Something like that. Just under 400. Is that right? That's fucking hell. In London session. Right, I'm waiting for the sell-off here. A few minutes to the open. Chop fest. Let the chop fest begin. I think that's a fake out again. I think that's a fake out. I take a sell if I can get back in at the top there. I think this should be going lower.
Order fill.
at this level. We're just under the level now. So it should go down pretty quick. I don't like this price action already. It's defending too hard that level. And it's Friday. Are we going to do the chop again, are we? That's what we're doing. We're just going to reverse it and go higher. I think this is a fake out, but momentum trader. That means you need to go through that level. I think that 630 mark looks pretty good. It's right to that resistance, VWAP. We've got a lot of resistance there. Not asking for much though. Don't like this. It's a slugfest. Fucking hell. Fuck it.
Order fill.
Now this is a bit sketchy. I've added at the high there to hopefully get the reversal back down. That's my plan. Volatility is painful again. I've taken it out. Like another loser. This is getting fucking terrible, my trading. God. How can you have fucking all that movement in London and then US session, nothing? Now come on, let's dump. Let's dump now. It wants to. It's not looking good. Oh, this is fucking torture again. Well, I'm glad I'm on 3 micros, but I'm on 6 at the minute. Fucking hell. This is fucking ridiculous. Again. Right, on the average. If that doesn't reject, I'm in shit. I'm in the shit. Fucking hell. They're buying it up still. That has to reject hard for me to stay in this trade. Everyone's getting killed here. Come on, let's go. Get some fucking momentum. Get through that level. But enough of this messing. Might just close this out and get it out of this fucking position. Let's take 3 off actually.
Order filled.
Right. Wanted 150, but that didn't quite work out, did it? This isn't going to work out. We can get some follow through and clear these levels. We're pretty good. I think we're down good down to the 40s. I'm going to take this out at 68. 68. I'm locked in 200 now. I'm locked in 200. That will see me. I'll be done either way. If I get 500, actually, if I get 500, I'll be pretty happy. If we break these lows, we should run a little bit. Might just add here. No, I'm not actually. It'll count towards my profitable days. That's the main thing. So I'm pretty confident we'll get down to the 67. This 68 now. That's the next level. If we break that out, I might get stopped out. That's absolutely fine. I'm going to lock in a bit more. How do I add? It'd be very cheeky to add. I'm not adding. Keep it as it is. Play it nice and cool. If it stops me out, I might re-enter. Actually, I'd like to get 700. Yeah, I could go a bit under. Stop me out, like. Just bouncing at that level. Very shit price action today. Should have probably re-entered there, but I want to bank a winning day. I'm not really interested in this. That's a shame. Could we get the 7? Could we get 656? Is it reasonable? It is reasonable. 656 is reasonable. So I'm trying. If it goes down, I'll lock in 500 if I can. But it's not looking very convincing, is it? Need to break that level. It's just this level here. Get through there. We should be golden. Let's lock in 300. I might get stopped out here if it doesn't blast through now. Blast through, not just trickle through. We don't want trickle through. We want fucking convincing price action here. Convincing price action. That's the one. God, it's slow. It's fucking slow. I'm locking in 400. Or should I just take the 5? Should I just take the 5? I'd like it to go down there. I really would. There's going to be resistance coming up. A lot of it. Locking in 500 now. That's the resistance at that level. Probably going to get taken out. Not convincing at all, is it? It's like trickle. Almost got stopped there. Right, let's run. Fuck it. Let it run. If it stops me out, fine. If it goes to a 748, great. That'll be me done. Come on, you can one more push. You can get down there. You know you want to. Right, 500. Lovely job, Lee. I'm locked. See you later. Happy weekend. Have a good one. Take care.